My name is Paul and I'm the founder here at Inked Woodworking. Woodworking for me has just been something that I've always been drawn to. It's been my passion to create something out of nothing, to take a rough piece of wood or just a plan on a piece of paper or something in my head and at the end of the day go, wow, I made that for you. It's grown from something I've done as a hobby to 7 days a week, and now we're looking to expand into other buildings, other avenues, and continue to grow. And for me, it fulfills me because I enjoy actually delivering something to the end user. It's about seeing those reviews and seeing the customer just overly ecstatic. Those are the stories that complete me, and that is why I left working in a factory all alone, and this is what I want to do going forward. If I had to describe what I like the most with Inked Woodworking, it's creating something that's going to lead to a story or a memory for a family. To me, that is the best payment. It means the most to me on a personal level, and just knowing that there's going to be something that I have that's going to be with your family forever. So at the end of the day, why should you go with Inked Woodworking? Well, that's simple. If you want to be part of the process, and you don't want to have buyer's remorse, and you want to get a top quality product that's super clean, super affordable, you're going to contact me.